Hello class. So yesterday we started looking at this document and I have put a copy of it in the chat for you so you can also access it today. But if you scroll down to the second page, that shows you our activities for today, Friday the 15th. In a moment we're going to see this alien programming video. Can you guess which of the characters is me, Mr. Quinn? Alright, so one of the things that we've talked about is how to submit some of the work that you've been doing the last few weeks. I'm going to walk through the process that I've described here. Sometimes it's just easier to see it done rather than, read all the specific details in a document. So here's the idea. You're all going to click on that link to open your own copy of a Scratch submissions file. So click Make a Copy. And now you have a copy stored in your Google Drive of a file with its exact name. So step one, go ahead and replace the words your name with your name. So I'll just say Joe King. No joking. And then also do that same thing here. Joe King. The second most important thing, everybody, is we want to be able to have access to this file where you're going to share links to your work. So right now, at the moment, this file is private to you. So if you click on the share button, and you're going to be adding 2 names to this box here, add people or groups. So where are those? I gave them to you right here. So go ahead and add John Quinn at easy.io. Just copy and paste. Right there. Then you're also going to add Mr. Saunders. So again, copy his name. Don't use the period, just the .org. Going to add him as well. So you're going to be sending this, and we'll get a notification in our emails that you shared this document with us. I'm going to cancel it because I don't want to actually do that right now. But when you click that send button, you have done the most important thing, which is allow us to see this document. All right. Also, in the name up here, I forgot to take out the words copy of. So your entire folder name or file name should be Scratch Submissions - your name in brackets. Super. All right, so here's what you need to do. Each of these submissions, and they're numbered 1, 2, and up through, I think 9. Great. There are 9 things that you can submit here. Things that we've done in class the last few weeks. So the first of those is this initial values in lesson 17, and you were making an animation of your name or your initials in Scratch. So you will need to go find that Scratch project and get a link to it. So the instructions for doing that are all written out here in steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 at the top of this organizing document. So here's what that would look like. First, open your Scratch account, and when you click on My Stuff, you will see a list of the programs that you have stored there. So this first lesson 17 program, if you recall, I made one as well. It was this guy right here, the letter jump. And the point was to take either the word Scratch or the letters of your name or even just your initials and write a program to animate them and make them do something. So here's the one I did. Super. So right now this program is already shared. But if you have an orange box here, that means you haven't shared it yet. And all sharing means in this case is that you give permission for whoever has the link to actually open this program and run it. So I've already shared it. there's another detail here. We'd like to see your name attached to this file inside the document or the project. So if you click on C Project page, here where it says instructions, you can just type your name, right? Joe King. Great. Now the thing that you need to do at this point is copy the link. You can grab it right there. So it's right now it's copied to your clipboard. And what are you going to do? You're going to go paste it in the Scratch submissions for this first submission, lesson 17. So the link, just paste it right there. That's it. That's all you got to do. If you hit enter after you paste it, like right there, then it will become a clickable link. So that means whoever you share it with and you can click on this and open up that project and run it. If it works correctly. So sometimes it just takes a few minutes to load. All right. So you're going to do that for each of the assignments that you've worked on for the last few weeks. And they're all described here. So you should be able to find all of these things. The clicker game, the kick the ball game. And if you don't remember, you can click on the links here to see, additional instructions and resources for doing that assignment. So I'm going to need as much as you have. Just make sure you copy the links into this document. All right, we'll answer any questions in class, and that is your objective today, is to share with us what you have. All right, well, thanks for that, and now we will watch this alien programming video, and then you can have the rest of the time in class to start filling in that submissions file. Thanks for listening, everyone.